Oh, this park also they're renovating.
Ah, which park?
Everything. Let's
Really?
come close by.
Ah, yeah, that the park right there.
Yeah. This is the oldest park in Kuşadası, the first park. Nothing else they had it, only that one.
Okay, let's go check it out.
You see?
Oh wow, they're renovating this one.
Yeah.
I call it Ghost Park because I feel like there is so much history in it, and whenever we go there, like,
First park ever.
wow. So yeah, we have all these historic rocks over there. You know, that's why I call it Ghost Park, because I feel like there's so much, some kind of energy in that park that remains for many years. So what do you think they're doing?
Changing the cables. Telephone.
Ah, this is telecom, guys.
Let's ask if it's fiber.
Yeah, let's ask if it's fiber. Thank you.
Fiber mi? Vay fiber.
Wow, fiber cables.
Tetenet mi galiba?
Internet. Very good.
Kolay gelsin.
Kolay gelsin. Bye bye. So you remember this park where this man is sitting? This man's name is Kasim Yaman, and it actually describes here that he had like very courageous military abilities.
Yeah. He was commander
So yeah, Yaman, like
from Kuşadası.
he was the mayor of Kuşadası for 2 years, and this is
Before that he was in army, I think.
yeah, respect for him. And now in this park, look, oh
Let's
my
show
god,
the historical parts, pieces.
they're like renovating everything here. This is so crazy.
Oh, there's one duck.
It just looks so wild. Do you guys recognize this park right now? It's unbelievable. Like, they're changing everything in Kuşadası since we came 2 years ago. Just like every single corner and place and brick and house and building and restaurant, like
This
everything's
is Roman
changing.
times pieces here.
Yeah, let's go.
I think, I don't know, from all times.
Oh, don't go in the mud, sweetheart. Wow. These are historic. How old are these pieces?
You know, when we were kid, this, you know, the statue is lion. They said, they were telling us this is a kid become a rock. You see
Where is
this?
the lion?
Over there is a lion there, rock.
No,
Standing lion. They were telling, it looks like a human too, you know, from the face. It was always standing here forever. They were telling us when we were kid, if you do bad things, you will become rock like this kid here.
Oh no,
Yes.
that's why you remember this guy so well.
Everyone scares locals that from statue.
Oh no.
It's very old statue, you know.
Let's pass by this
Look,
new.
this is very old cemetery here.
Oh, somebody's grave. That's
old
what I'm
ones.
telling you. It's like the ghost park. Can we go this way, baby?
Yeah.
It's very muddy for my shoes. I'm just gonna get so much mud. Osh. All right, everything is okay. Wires are not unstuck. Say something.
Hey,
All good. Oh, all this soils here.
don't step on the cables.
What? Oh my god. On the fiber cables.
Yeah, don't break them.
Then they will not know what happened.
People are struggling with internet in this area.
Yeah. Wow, fiber cables came downtown. Well, that's an event. Because internet is not that amazing in here, you know. So just watch out and... Wow. I'm just so happy because we both do online business, and for us internet is very important. And that they're putting the cables now is just amazing. Kolay gelsin. Very nicely everybody's working.